So recap, endoscope to check inside the engine, valve clearance is checked, it seemed okay, little adjustment needed. Rebuilt the carbs, had to spend quite a bit to get the correct jets and atomizers etc. put in and waiting for an ultrasound cleaner so I can clean them properly. Having done that, I got the engine into the frame. I've got a video for this, so it's a recreation. Then some time fitting lots of peripherals and bits so I could get it to the point where the engine might start. So after fitting the engine, I needed to fit all the peripherals. This is me making an aluminium plate to mount the regulator and the ignition module to. The ignition came from Horsepower Ignition in Belgium. Looks very well made, but I can't get the engine started to tick over or run at low revs, so I don't know if it's that or something with the engine. Anyway, the plate needed measuring, marking out, cutting and folding. The original ignition components were completely missing and mount in a different way. So, ignition fitted, coils above the cylinder head, camshaft centre on the end of the cam. Right, so you can hear lots of rattling there. Some of it was the kickstarter, some of it I should have investigated again. So here I am, just resetting the kickstarter mechanism. The ratchet wasn't disengaging. And here I am kicking. Rattling again. I really should have looked at this then, but I just thought it might be tappets or something else, so I just carried on. You'll notice it's not running at low revs. The carbs are supposed to be connected together by a balance pipe. I've made a blanking pipe for this. I didn't realise this at the time. And then lots more kicking and kicking and kicking and trying to reset the ignition at different positions and kicking and kicking and kicking, all to no avail. So I have the ignition set to look at some time. Sounding good. That's the noise of the front cylinder around about Christmas. I thought I'd better investigate. So that's a horrible noise. So, off with the front cylinder head. The bore doesn't look too bad, a little bit rusty where it hasn't been used. The top of the piston looks nice and clean. Not too bad, and actually sounds okay now, but I had put some oil down it. Now we can take the barrel off, just stuffing some rag down to stop any dirt going down. And that doesn't look too bad either. Probably some light honing just to remove some of the scores and rust marks where it hasn't been used. And then when looking at the piston, I could only find a circlip on one side, so I don't know why there was one missing there. Just as well the gudgeon pin hasn't pushed out and scraped the side.
No circlip.
And I'll leave you to listen to this bit.
Straight out. So that's not very good. Right, play. Please be alright. God, that's not good, is it? Bollocks.
So there we go. I now have an engine to rebuild. At least one big end that's gone, and maybe other little mistakes in it. Such is life though. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.